Today I'm gonna show you how to download STM32 CubeIDE software that matches with my operating system, and how I should start installation. Okay, let's go to the ST microcontroller web, page. I have already over here. So then go to ST developers zone tab, and then select STM32 CubeIDE. uh, there we have we are in their web page. So now I'm gonna select my relevant packages. So before doing that, so I'll show you what my OS is. Cat etc OS release. So it's Ubuntu 24 version. Therefore I have to look for compatible version. There are a number of versions they are providing. um, Generic Linux, Debian. Probably Debian must go with should go with my operation system. So release version will be 1.8118. Now if you click download software, accept to their license agreement, then log into my ST account. I have already created this account, so I'll log in this way. So click login. The downloading the software will start. Yes, starting, but I have already downloaded this one. Therefore I'll stop here and go to the downloaded package. um, yes, it is over here. So I have let me remove this shell file. These are the bundles that I have downloaded. Within them I use the deb bundle. So before executing, I have to unzip the file. Yes, yes, it is extracting. Let me have, but it is not executable yet, so I have to make that shed file executable. Yes, now I can execute that file. So how I gonna execute is sudo dot forward slash st. If I once I press enter, it should start installing. That is it. Thank you.